Hey guys, welcome back to Jyoti classes. In today's video, we are going to see few of the formulas based on the operators. So, in operators, you are going to get an expression and you have to solve the expression to get the answer. Mostly, the questions will be something like they will ask a question like this, and they will tell you to find the value for this type of expression. Okay, for this you should know what is the a dagger value and what is the a value, how these two functions are operated. Okay, so they are called as operators. Okay, so the first one is a cap. A cap is equal to root of m omega divided by 2 h cut into x cap plus I p cap, that is the momentum operator, divided by root of 2h m omega. Whereas a dagger, same expression with the negative sign. Okay, this is the only difference in this a dagger component. A into a dagger is written as h by h cut omega plus 1 by 2. Here h is the Hamiltonian and the h expression is p square by 2m plus half m omega square x square. See, we are going to learn more about Hamiltonian in the classical mechanics video. Okay, now if it is a into a dagger, then it is h by h cut omega plus half, and if it is a dagger a cap, that is equal to h divided by h cut omega minus of half. Okay, now if a and a dagger are operated under a communicator operator, that is whether it will commute or not, then if a into a dagger is equal to 1 and if a dagger comma a is equal to minus 1, if a operator with the Hamiltonian, then it is h cut omega a cap. Hamiltonian with a dagger component, that is minus h cut omega into a dagger, and the commutator bracket of a Hamiltonian with a dagger a is equal to 0. Okay, you have just remember this thing. This is a very simple small concept you should know. Next thing what you have to know is, if you are applying in ket and bra vector component, then a dagger into a cap, for nth value it is n comma n, and for a cap it is root of n minus 1, that is ket of n minus 1. A dagger ket of n is equal to root of n minus 1 ket of n plus 1. How to approach these questions? How you have to write is, if I get an expression something called a dagger a into a dagger, it's some random expression and they have told to ask like solve for n. Okay, if this is the expression, how will you approach? First thing is, you will keep these two component, a dagger a as it is. After that, a dagger of n cap is what? This is the expression. Then I will write it as root of n minus 1 of n plus 1 ket of n plus 1. After that, now it has to be operated for this expression. Then what you will do, a dagger as it is, root of n minus 1 as it is. Now a into n plus of 1. Now a into ket of n, a dagger a cap in for ket of n, that is root n. Then the expression will become a dagger root of n minus 1. It was n plus 1 was already there, n plus 1, here n minus 1, that is you will get n. In the same way you have to take this expression with respect to the ket of n and you will get the final answer. Okay, don't worry, whenever we will solve the questions we will be considering this part. Okay, now moving on to position and momentum expression in terms of operators. If for the position operator, then it is a cap plus a dagger into root of h cut divided by 2m omega. For momentum, 1 divided by iota root of h cut m omega divided by 2 a cap minus of a dagger. Okay, next if for the harmonic oscillator in the nth state the position and the momentum are equal to 0, then directly in the bracket expression of position you will get 0 and momentum is also equal to 0. See, these are the few expressions which you should remember, because you will be using these directly to solve the problems. Okay, expectation of x square is h cut divided by 2m omega 2n plus 1, and for expectation value of p square, that is momentum square, is equal to n plus half m h cut omega, and delta of x, that is n plus half to the power 1 by 2 h cut by m omega to the power of half, that is uncertainty, that is delta x is equal to root of p square minus of moment of p square, okay, whole square. Now for p, the under root n plus half under root m h cut omega. Expectation value of both momentum and position operator is n plus half h cut omega. Now with the angular momentum component along with NLM. For NLM, for the respective NLM values are nothing but the energy levels we have written for 0, 1, 1, 1. This is our N, this is our L, and this is our M. Okay, then L is equal to root of L into L plus 1, that is angular momentum h cut omega into NLM. For LZ component of NLM, that is equal to M into Z for the ket of NLM. Okay. Next, similarly for the different angular momentum component, L plus minus is equal to Lx plus or minus I Ly expression. For L plus, this is the expression, and for L minus, this is the you just make a note of these formulas. We are going to use them to solve the most of the problems. Okay, and here one of the expression is written for integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, x to the power of 2n e to the power of minus 2b x square dx is nothing but 2b to the power of minus n minus half root of n plus half. Expectation of momentum square is L into L plus 1 h cut into ket of NLM expression. Okay, so these are the few formulas for the operators. Go through the formulas, make a note. We are going to use them in the solving problems. In the next class, we will be dealing with the variational method followed by different expression and how will you solve the variational method and all. Okay, thank you guys.